Hey everybody, Reverend Michael, Sinister Sidney. We are back out and working on the circus tent for a little bit. We have to restring the rope lines that raise and lower our tarp.
Welcome to Sinister Sidney.
I'm already up the pipe. Where you at, Ash? I got Ash here helping me. She's down there. Yes, we are up here. This is the top of the circus tent. I got the clips coming that are going to tie these back together so we can pull it up. But first we had 3 lines. The south side came undone. So I've got to get them rerun and hooked up in here, just like the other ones are. Yeah, it was fun. Look at this. Oh, here you go. There's Sinister Sidney from a bird's eye view. The path goes out there. Of course, it comes in through here. Can't really see. We got a children of the corn area there. We actually planted corn and what have you. So yeah, time to work on the circus tent.
You're good. You're blocking the sun.
Cool. You recording?
Yes.
Hey everybody. Okay, so this is going to be the fun part, because I got to lower this ring here, but my ladder's in the way. And there's only one way to do that. Don't show my wife this. We get enough rope to allow me for the room. Hello. Uh-oh. You, Ash.
Yep.
Look from there. There we go. Thank you. We got enough rope. Going to lift this thing nice and loose and go as far as I need it to go. What am I pulling down? And again, don't try this at home, because I know everybody's got a circus tent at home. Just don't do that. So Dad used to say, do as I say, not as I do.
Yep.
Make sure we have plenty of play. One, that one, that one. This one now. Okay. Ladder. Hooked. Okay, here we go. If you look, folks. Almost there. Yay!
Yay!
Alright, now, there we go. These are all separate, and where's my other, there it is. Got to tie it back up. Alright, nothing happened. Go home. Don't look anymore. Alright, we're at a staging point. We got the ring lowered down so that we can then take these tarps, once we get this ladder out of the way, pull them back together, hook them together, and then pull the ring back up to raise our tent. So now it's on to other things to do for cleanup and what have you, because, well, it never ends. Okay, so we spent the rest of the afternoon trimming, and I got the chainsaw out, and we cut some branches of things that fell and stuff. Of course, I didn't, too busy wielding the chainsaw to do any videoing. Sorry. Now it is time to clean up and get unsweaty and shower, and because I'm covered in sawdust, it's usually in my beard. Yep. And those other things. So that's another day down. We're into August. We are getting done whatever we can get done with who we got. And that's the way it works. It's Sinister Sidney. See you in the funny pages.